Welcome to another Flying Professor video. Here we see Mount Aspiring, the Matterhorn of the South. You can see where it gets its name given its pyramidal shape. It's our 23rd highest mountain and stands almost 10,000 feet above sea level. The video was taken from Echo Vector Echo, Eve, a Tecnam Mk II on February the 17th, 2022, in a flight from Wanaka in New Zealand's South Island to Milford Sound. I was accompanied on this flight by John Crone, another Sierra pilot. Several days earlier, John and I flew our airplane south from Auckland down to Wanaka. John has landed at Milford Sound before. This is my first trip into Milford, so John agreed to be the navigator co-pilot in Eve.
I should do a quick introduction for our video listeners. It's Ian here, accompanied by John Crone, who is our guide for the day. Want to just turn around and wave? Turn all the way around.
All the way back there.
Yeah, the camera's behind you, yeah.
Hi, folks.
So here you can see our flight track on flight radar. We departed Wanaka Airport and flew over the lake, northwest to Mount Aspiring, then tracked to Milford Sound, where we landed.
Wanaka traffic, Echo rolling 29, big heating, northwest. We should get up to about five grand, do you think?
At this stage, we want to go up to about nearly 10 to get to close to Mount Aspiring, because we want to go near the summit.
Okay. We'll just keep climbing then. So I'll just do another call. We're going to Mount Aspiring, so I'll just let them know we're climbing 10.
But you don't need to get that for quite a while yet. You know.
Yeah, okay. I'll do another call in a few minutes.
That thing ahead's about 7,000.
Okay.
But you can go the valley to the left and then keep climbing up that.
Okay. Well, there's not much. There's a bit of a 7-knot wind coming from that direction now.
Terrain ahead. Pull up.
We can see it, Eve. We can see it.
Oh.
Wow, this is amazing.
Some rock, isn't it?
Terrain. Pull up.
Don't listen to Eve.
Pull up.
Right.
Pull up.
Faces in all directions.
We'll just go around so we can.
In November 1909, the first ascent on Mount Aspiring went up this glacier, the Bonar Glacier, in a party led by a Major Bernard Head, a New Zealand adventurer, mountain climber, and soldier. Sadly, like so many other young men, he died at Gallipoli in 1915.
It's bloody amazing looking. These crevices. Oh, right, that way. So, now which way do we go now?
Quite a way around, yep.
209 degrees. Milford Flight Information Service, Echo Victor Echo.
Echo Victor Echo, Milford. Good morning.
Good morning. We're at the Doan, 9,000 feet. Landing, Milford. Request instruction, Echo Victor Echo.
Echo Victor Echo, runway of your choice. So wind just a very light northerly, QNH 1020 with no circuit traffic.
1020, light northerly, no circuit. We'd like to do a 1-1 landing, Echo Victor Echo.
Copy, thanks. So just confirm you'll descend towards the mouth of the sound and then join.
We'll descend toward the mouth of the sound and join, Echo Victor Echo.
So here on the map you can see our reporting point, the Doan, actually the headwaters of the Doan River, and we carry on at about 9,000 feet. Yeah, the dotted yellow line, or the broken yellow line, we descend to the mouth of the sound, turn around and come along the southern side to land at Milford Sound. Our landing is on runway 11, so we basically do what is more like a long approach to the runway.
I can see it down there.
See the runway, can you?
I could see it, yeah. It's under cloud now.
Yeah, it's a shame we couldn't go follow that out, but it's just a little bit too much shit around, isn't there?
I could try and go down.
Reckon you could get under there?
I think I could. Well, it's 8,500 feet. I could certainly go lower.
I'll let under 3,000 on the right hand side on your way in.
Pull up. Pull up.
Ooh, the old ears, eh?
Pull up.
Wow!
Pull up.
So you want to turn to the right if you can. Has a bit coming?
Pull up.
Nothing's coming in now.
Yeah, no, but want to make a go out to the right, then make a left turn to come back.
Okay. Go to the right. Anything around me? No. We did it.
Terrain, terrain. Pull up, pull up.
Wow, it's unbelievable.
Pull up.
Okay, we're at 1,700 feet.
And so we turn to make our way along the southern side of Milford Sound. What really makes this special is the sheer wildness of the place, with peaks over 5,000 feet, no place to land except for that little runway down at Milford.
Pull up.
Okay, we can do a straight approach for 1-1 now, can we?
Yeah, but keep to the right. Keep to the right.
Yep, okay.
Pull up. Pull up.
1,500 will be fine.
Good, good, okay. Milford traffic, Echo Victor Echo, Dale Point, 1,600, traveling eastwards.
Pull up.
Echo Victor Echo, roger, reporting in Sterling.
Pull up.
Reporting Sterling, Echo Victor Echo.
500. Pull up.
Whereabouts that at?
There are obvious falls on your left.
Runway, we're using one inbound aircraft from the mount, which is very light northwest. The QNH 1020 traffic to Tecnam in between Dale Point and report Stirling.
Pull up.
How far are we away from it now?
Stirling, this is only traffic about to approach Stirling.
Oh, 5 miles.
We're 1020,
Brakes.
do you have your close to base 29?
Undercarriage.
Time for that, you reckon?
Brakes. Good.
Hard to tell until you get to deep water there, Scotty.
I think that was Stirling we just went past. Yeah, that'll be right. So just say at Stirling.
Still for traffic, Echo Victor Echo at Stirling, 1,400.
Echo Victor Echo, Roger, and traffic is a squirrel joining from the southwest overhead for 11.
Traffic joining overhead for 11, Echo Victor Echo.
Better get yourself,
There it is there.
get yourself down to 1,000.
Yep.
Just creep around, you know, keep
Okay.
close. Before this other guy will get out of our way.
Ahead.
You might want to start descending a bit more now, mightn't you?
I think so. Are we on
Pull
left
up.
base?
No, you're on final. I'd just
Okay.
Pull
get
up.
yourself a little bit more, creep around here, get yourself a bit more aligned, and then make a final call.
Okay. So for traffic, Echo Victor Echo, finals 11, full stop.
Echo Victor Echo.
Capital Foxtrot, just downwind 11 now, number 2, contact.
Head Delta Foxtrot.
Coming in behind, so don't.
Am I getting close enough to that side?
Yeah, no, you're fine now. Just
500.
about to.
Okay. Full flap?
Want me to take a photo?
Yes, please, definitely.
How do you get it on?
Pull
It's
up.
on now.
Traffic, 10 o'clock. High, less than 1 mile.
Pull up.
Traffic, 12 o'clock.
Here we go. We're lined
Traffic.
up.
Like you can turn off before the point, but if you're not, you can roll to the end. There's
Okay. Okay,
Hey, roll to the end. No problem. There's a.
We did it!
There.
We did it! Hey, high five! High five! Okay. I'll get over this side, shall I? Or just in front of that RV?
Hey, right. Okay. Go over and park on the left.
Okay,
Away of everything.
that's a good idea.
Well, we made it. There's John and I with the beautiful sound in the background. I've heard that this is one for the bucket list. I guess you might call it that, but I ain't ready to die yet. A good backgrounder on landing in Milford is the good aviation practice in, out, and around Milford. Strongly recommended to find out more about this fascinating place. And don't forget the insect repellent. We did. Thankfully, there was another flyer on the tarmac that had some and saved us from a very itchy time. After we had a cup of coffee, we flew out over the lake, turned around, headed for Queenstown. And on the way, we circumnavigated the Alpine Lake Quill, about 3,000 feet above sea level, which supports one of the highest waterfalls in the world. So please stay tuned for the next adventure with the Flying Professor. Thanks for watching.